Meaning of institutionalize.
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 Institutionalize. The term institutionalize can have different meanings depending on the context, but generally it refers to the process of establishing something as a formal and permanent institution or system within an organization or society. For example, in the context of mental health, institutionalization refers to the practice of placing individuals with mental illnesses in long-term care facilities. In terms of business or government, institutionalization may refer to the establishment and implementation of official policies, rules, or procedures that become part of the standard operating procedures of the organization. Overall, the term conveys the idea of creating a stable and enduring structure for a particular activity or function.